Hi, in this video we will see how to connect a two-way switch. Now this is a location 1, location 2. So anyone can switch on from this location and can be switched off this location, and vice versa can be switched on from here and switch off from there. So that switch has three connections. You have to buy two switch, those have a three connection. The bottom one is a common, it's just common from here to there, and the first one, it has got a live. It can be 24 volts, 110, 220, and this port is connected to there, and from the normal close to going to a your load, it's a lamp, and the other end is connected to a neutral. So as you can see, from the normal close going to there, the same from the normal close is going to that switch, and normally close, the other switch of the normal close is going to this lamp. Okay, now you can see if I press this switch, now it make a connection here, and this is the path of the power. Okay, I did switch on from location 1. If I am on location 2, I can just switch off that. I will break the path. Now the current cannot flow anymore through this path because this path is broken now. Okay, you can switch on from there, you can switch off from here, on there, off, on, off. Yeah. So that is a diagram how you connect two-way switch.